Hey YouTube, how we doing? Alright, this is the second one of these knife review videos I'm going to kind of do this way. Normally I'm behind the camera, you see a big old camo thing on the table. But today, I wonder what we're going to take a look at. We got something from Steel Will from their Urban series. Huh. I wonder if you know what we're going to look at. Alright guys, stay tuned after that intro, and you're going to see exactly what came in that box. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, look down below. You should see a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that, should pull up subscribe, knock it out the way early, and you're going to feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. Alrighty guys, as you saw by that intro, we're going to take a look at the Steel Will Tenet, and the rest of its little nomenclature is F like Foxtrot 30-33. That's this bad boy right here. Man, what attracted me to it, I gotta tell you honestly, I saw a video from, I think it was Woodland Tactical, and I saw one from a boy over at Poor Man's Preparing, and I went, that black on olive drab, I gotta have it. That just looks sweet as crap. Plus the fact of the steel, but we'll get there in just a moment. Now inside the box, all there really came with was their usual little propaganda. You know, hey, thanks for buying, you got an incredible blade, you're awesome. And bubble wrapping the blade. So, now you saw everything that came in there. Okay? It fits very comfortably in my hand. I mean, seriously. It's like it's made for it. I love that little indent right there for your fingers. It just works beautifully. The flipper works as kind of a finger guard. Plus the fact it's got like little studs on the back there. They help give you a little bit of traction to hang on there. Sorry guys, it's opening day, so the phone's going a little bit crazy today. Alright. Let's get into the fun part, shall we? It's got an overall length of 7.75. Closed, it's about 4.5, and the blade is 3.25. Now, it has a bit of a heft to it at 4.27 ounces. Not a big deal. I mean, after you get used to it, you hardly ever feel it in your pocket. You really do. It has, as you can see, plain edge with a flat grind. It's done in the clip point style, but I'll be honest, that almost looks a bit drop point to me. But they say it's clip point, we're going to roll with it. It does have D2 steel, and there's this little marking right up here. It's got that black finish, which I really love against the olive drab green. Seriously, it's just beautiful. It does have in there, you know, the little black coated stainless steel frame. I do love like the little back spacer back here. Doesn't feel steel. I should look into that, sorry. I just clicked on me. It does have textured, and hopefully you can see that in the light, G10 scales. And I really love the fact it's that little cross pattern on there. So if your hand's wet, it's going to kind of grip to it a little bit better, and it's got a great just staying power in your hand. As you heard, and maybe I can show it a little bit better, oops, it's got a flipper open. It does have a liner lock. And man, it locks in there pretty securely, you know. Yeah, sorry, I know you couldn't see that, but does have a lanyard hole. No, didn't come with the Paracord lanyard. I added that. It only has a one-position pocket clip, right-hand carry, and it sits pretty deep in your pocket. And yes, in case you're wondering, it is made in China. All right, let's start with the fun part. Let's see if I can do it right this time. Cut test. Man, it's really weird doing it this high up. But yeah, it just burns right through it. See, Jason? It's not that hard, bro. But yeah, hopefully you can see. It is picking up some flakes, like dead center on the blade. So just strop it up a little and it's going to be razor sharp. Alright, Paracord. Pull test. Yeah, right through it. And we're just going to give it 2 for a slice. No problem. Now, the last guy that we like killing, y'all know him by heart by now, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Let's see how he does today, huh? Yeah. Right through it. No problem. Alrighty. Now, I know. We're all going, price points, all that fun stuff. So, we looked on Amazon Steel Will, and Blade HQ. Amazon's $46.99 with free shipping. Steel Will, $54.99, and Blade HQ, $46.99. Now, the only place it had ratings was on Amazon. It had 4 reviews, and it scored a 3.8 out of 5. I'll be honest, I love it. I've been carrying it since I had it. And yes, Jason, because of your review, I had to go buy this blade just because of how it looked, the colors, and how it felt. Well, I should say how it looked in your hand. That's why I bought it. I've been happy as crap since I've had it, and it's been my everyday carry since. But with that fun stuff being said, I want to know what y'all think. Questions, comments, love, hatred, all that fun stuff. I want to know down below like we usually do in the comment section. And yes, I want to thank you guys for putting up with this style of knife review. I figured I'd do 2 this way just to see how it felt. I'm not sure if I'm going to continue it because I kind of like being on the other side of this camera for knife reviews. So if I sneeze or cough or do anything, you're not seeing me go, just a little quirk of mine for knife reviews, alright? Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to thank you so much for spending, part of your time with me. I know your time is very, very important, and I'm very flattered you chose to spend some of it with me. So I want to thank you for that from the bottom of my heart. Now, for you first-timers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-timers who did not do it at the beginning of the video, down there, big channel symbol's going to be popping up. Man, go ahead and click on that thing, going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've subscribed, go ahead and beat up its brother, the bell icon. Why? Can notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to pop up, you know it, on that side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube selects from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys, my quick look at the Steel Will Tenet Foxtrot 30-33. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day today.